It's like a fire burning through my chest. It's time to let it out. It's time to let it go. Parts of my past I can't control. So tonight we're celebrating. What tried to break me, but now I'm stronger, stronger, stronger. But tonight, my dance floor is a star. It's mine, can't no one take it from me. What I feel, who I am, unconditionally. I've left all of my fears and my tears on the ground.